I'm constantly seeing articles about how you should quit your job and start your own business. I won't argue with that. Being your own boss is a terrific experience and can give you the time and financial freedom you've always wanted. But the plain truth is that most of us need our jobs to pay the mortgage, the rent, our car payments, insurance premiums, you name it. If we didn't have that check coming in on a regular basis, we'd probably be living on a street corner somewhere. Traditionally, you would have to save a little each month for years to get enough to live on while you start your business. Another way to do it would be to work for someone else in the same business you want to start. You can learn the ropes while still earning a paycheck. When it's time to quit and begin your business, you'll be miles ahead. But let me give you a more modern alternative that works better than any of these. Work a part-time job from home that lets you build a full-time income. You keep working your regular job while you start your part-time business on the weekends, after work, or in the morning before you go to work. Even a few years ago this would have been a slow way to get your business started. But now, incredible online automation and outsourcing lets you run your home-based business in as little as an hour per week. How does that work? Let me show you. Instead of calling, advertising, and sending letters to prospects, you can let fully automated online sites gather hot leads for you. Then, instead of spending hours in meetings and phone chats, you can have those leads automatically turned over to a professional sales team who turns the serious leads into paying customers. About all you have to do is collect your commissions. And these days, those commissions can be huge. Forget the $20 and $50 paychecks you got in the past. These days modern automated systems can deliver $1,000 to $3,000 or more per sale. Think about it for a minute. Using this type of automated, outsourced strategy, you could keep your current job while you earn an even larger income working just a few hours per week in your spare time. This is a great way to either begin a fun, serious business of your own, or simply double or triple the income you're bringing in with your current job. Keep your job and be your own boss if you like. It's all possible today on the internet.